Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing an amazing fall-inspired pumpkin orange pancake recipe with you guys. I love pumpkin and orange during the season, and I thought what better way to put them together than inside of a pancake. So if you enjoy recipes like this and other creative flavor combinations, make sure to subscribe. As always, the recipe will be down in the description box below. Let's cook. So here I just gathered my dry ingredients. I have my flour, my spice mixture, some salt, baking powder, baking soda, and sugar. I just went ahead and whisked that together. And then I went ahead and mixed all of my wet ingredients in my Pancakes mixing bowl. I went ahead and added like all the pumpkin, the milks, the orange, as well as some vanilla extract, and then I whisked that together really good. I added the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and then mixed that well. Now I will say, I will leave the adjusted measurements down below. I added a little bit of extra milk to thin out the consistency of the pancake batter, but I will say I used half and half. So if you use regular milk, you should not need to add additional, but because half and half is a little bit thicker, it didn't thin out the batter the way I needed it to initially. So follow the adjusted recipe if you are using half and half. If you decide to use regular milk, because you don't have half and half on hand, I will list the measurement for that as well. But this produces a light, airy batter that's going to give you a very, very soft, fluffy pancake. And I just cooked my pancake over a very hot smoking cast iron grill pan with bacon grease. I went ahead and let the pancakes cook on each side for about 2 minutes or so, and then I flipped. You guys can see my batter was a little bit loose, so I go ahead and remove that. But if you want to cook it a little bit longer on the first side so the batter dries out and you don't have that spill out, that's fine, you can do that too. I would suggest just turning the heat down a little bit. And then I served this up with some homemade maple orange syrup that I made, and I will bring to you guys in a separate video. But these were absolutely delicious. I thoroughly enjoyed them, and it was the perfect flavor bomb with fall flavors. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you as always for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.